Hello, hello. Mm, 1 2 1 2. So today I will be doing functional skills in level 2, which by the way I have done in the past. So I just got this Launchpad, um, so bear with me as I'm trying to learn it. If you like to participate with me, feel free to. If you have any questions, if I do anything wrong, do let me know. All right. Uh, just to enable something here, and I think we're gonna be ready. All right. Interesting. Mm. Okay, we're gonna start in like just double checking everything is working. Let's see. Okay, let's go. So first, let me show you the plan. So this is where we are. So I have done a couple. So now I'm going with the calculations with large numbers. So we're gonna be doing 5 for each exercise is going through. We're going to spend more time when I don't understand something. That's what it is until we learn it. So starting off, we going with um, calculations with large numbers. So let me mark that as this, so we know where we are. Maybe I change the color to something more, I don't know, blue. Does blue work better, or this? Let's go with the blue. I'm just gonna type it in the chat as well. Large numbers. Feel free to correct me at any given moment you guys think I'm doing something wrong. So let's see. The company sold tickets in January 52, blah 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 blah. February 16. Okay, so we need to do an addition. I'm going to start with the 61. Let's see. Can we type? Nope, we cannot type. All right, here. Okay. Are you gonna see it or what? Oh, oh my days, bro. We're gonna have these issues here. Interesting. All right, what about now? So, nope. 61. 61. 8, 8, 7, 5 plus 52 430. Now how do we do the eraser? Nope. Eraser, yes. It doesn't know. It doesn't know. But I can do this. Alt X. So okay. Maybe I can tap it here. Alt X. It said right. Wait, what? This is where I put this and then this. Control delete. Yeah, I can do here. Is fine. Alt X. Boom, 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 and let's check. And then if I press like this, is to do it. Yeah. All right, and then how do we go back? If I press Alt X again, is go to the pen? No. And then wait, I'm doing wrong. It's better if I do it on my pen and yeah. Pen eraser. So the first one should be. Wait. So when I press the first one is what? Usually it says. Now it doesn't say nothing. So this select between the pen and the eraser. So if it's on the eraser, maybe press the Alt X here. Save. Okay, this can erase the number. Okay, and then how do we go back? So, okay, yeah, I just need to find to do a toggle version, like mouse left click through each monitor, custom tool maybe, enter shortcut Alt X, and then if I want to go back to here is Alt W 2 times, Alt, what's Alt W and 2, Alt W and 2, okay, Alt W and 2, no. Oh man, doesn't do it. I wanna cry. LW2, LW2, LW2. Fuck. Sorry. We don't say this. We didn't say that. Da, da, da. Wait, maybe. Let me. Sorry, 1 second. Alright guys, sorry for the delay. I guess shit happens. Finally found something. I don't know. Let's see. So yeah, we need to do 61, 8, 7, 5, 52, 4, 3, 0, 4, 8, 4, 8, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5. So this is an addition, so we go 5, 5, 10, so 10 is 10, plus 7 is 3, 10 another 10, so 20, so 0, 2, so 8, 2 is 10, then is 17, days. I spent all my brain cells trying to fix the issue. So now I need to readjust, I guess. What? Yeah, it's working, but my stream is not in a specific moment, so there we go. Alright, let's continue. So 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 7 is 21. So now we need to write 1, cross the 2, and then there is 2, right? 21. So 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 2 is, well, no, never mind. 8 plus 2 is 10, 13. And then 1. Oops. 1 is there. Now let's see. Let's try to do the eraser. And it's lagging. Of course it's lagging. Why it doesn't do it? Because it doesn't want to. Nope. Okay, I'm really stuck. My days. I go with the start. From the start. And I think it's better if I had written it 1 inch below, because now I want to. So 5, 5 takes 10, 0, 1. Then 9 plus 1 is 10, is 20, so 0 plus 2. It's so easy to press the wrong button, guys, honestly. I can put my hand there, so here we have 2. So 2 is 10, 17 minus 21. So we write the 1, and we pass the 2. Plus, I think I'm doing something wrong. 8 plus 2 is 10, 17, 21, 1 plus 2. 8, 2 is 10, is 13. We write the 1, 13. Wait a second, son. No, I think I'm doing okay. Okay, so 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16. 16. Okay. So let's see. A1 is like exit 3 What? Why we cannot press this? Because I don't know what we're doing. Oh, my days. Alright, so one thing. I can literally do this and zoom out. Oh, my days. Alright, so Ctrl Delete should be here. Okay. And what are boxes? If shipped out, how many boxes remain? So now we have to do a subtraction. We start with 275 640 minus 8989755. And now what I want to do is change the color. Is it gonna let me do with another color? Okay. So if I press this, then goes that. But I don't like this specific color, Mondays, man. Okay. Green. Okay. All right. So subtraction 10. So this become 3. Then we have 5. So we cannot subtract from 3. So we borrow 1 from 6. We make it 5. So 13 minus 5 is what? 8 plus so 8. Then we go this 4, 15 minus 7. So this one is right. Then we borrow 1 from here, so this becomes 6. 14 minus 9 is what? So if we take 4 from 9, then it's 5 left. Okay, so 6 we cannot do 1, so here it is 116. Then it's left with 1. So 16 minus 8 is what? 8 plus 8 is 16, so it's 8. So this would be it. So it is 182. Am I correct? Correct again. Yeah. So a city has a budget of this. They spend this and this. How much money is left? So all right. So go with red again. Oops. Wait, I need to learn to press the buttons. Okay. How can I have it like another thing I'm thinking that is is if I could have like a selection where like, okay, this is marked as it is, so you guys can see that we are doing this bit, you know. Maybe I can do this. Maybe here I can just do exercise 3. All right, so we go with 9, 8, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. It's supposed to be a bullet point, yeah. Then we need to 3 million point 0 2 7 5 2 3 2 7 5 4 5 0 4 5 0. Then 2 9 8 5 9 8 5 600 minus. 1 second, let me check, is my stream working properly? Of course. Second. I'm just trying something else because the monitor I have here anyways is a pain in the butt. It's OLED, so the anyways, so if I have 10, then this become 9. Oops. How do we go back this before we start? Oops. So this was what? 600, right? 29856. Minus, and then change the color to here. All right, so first one is 0, then we go take this 10, and then this become 499. Should be like this, yeah. Let's see, 10 minus 5 is what? 5. 9 minus 4 is what? 5 plus 4, 5, so 5 minus, wow, is that how we do it? Interesting. If there is 5, then I take 6, then becomes minus 1. Alright guys, so we're doing this in another way. We go back. I will just do these first two numbers first. 0, 0 minus 3.275 450. 0 becomes this. Yeah, I can't. The lighting on this room is too much at the moment. I need to sort this out as well. I don't know why. It's how to explain is like it has like a lot of reflections. How do you call it? I don't even know. Like even now, for some reason, I don't understand why this is happening. It wasn't happening before. If I close this literally, does it still have? Yes, it still have, and it's my freaking lamp for some reason, bro. I don't know why. Is it because it's not dark yet, or is? I don't know, bro. Today is not the day to do streaming, I guess, guys. On this. All right, so let me go with orange so you can see the changes. So this is 0, 10, and this should become 4, 9, 9. Then we have 5, 9 4 is 5. The dot is here, then go 9 minus 5 is 4. Then is alright, so we borrow 1 from there, so this becomes 7. So 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 minus 2 is like 5. Then 9 minus 3 is 6. So now we need to subtract this new number, which is 2.985, and then 600 0 5, then this become 15, and this become 3. I needed to change the color. Anyways, 15 minus 6 is 9. I want to hope. Yeah. So then this one becomes 13, and this is 6. 13 minus 5 is 8, I think. So this becomes 16, and this becomes 4. 16 minus 8 is 8. This becomes 4, and this becomes 5. 14 minus 9. Then is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the new number should be this. Not quite. Okay. 6. First add what was spent. Okay, so maybe we understood something wrong. 985000. Okay. 325 450. Okay, then we subtract these numbers 3588950. Ah, it is correct. We just need to add the pound. How you do it? All right. We're going with exercise 4. I don't know if can I do this? Okay. And then can I change it to this and this? All right. And then I can do exercise 4. Exercise 4. In 365 days, so we have so guys, so 18750. I'm starting to get the hang out of it though, this Launchpad a little bit, I guess. So we need to remember to put the 0. Okay, I need to change the color, and God bless me every time. All right. I really hate my life now. What if I go pack? Just let me rewrite it so I can, my OSD can be fine, you know? All right. 0 times 365 days. And now, boom, shakalaka, boom. If I don't press that, then we go this. So 5 times 5 is what? 5 is 25. Then we go to the next. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 2 is 37. 7, 3. Then 8 times 5 is 40. 30. Wait a second. Oh no. 4, right? 43, 3, 4. Then we have 1 times 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 times 5 is what? 30. 0, 3, 6, 5, 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 3 is 45. Then 8 times 6 is 48, plus 4 is 52. 52, okay, and then 1 times 6, 6, 11, I guess. Let me do double. 6, 5 is 30, 0, 3. Or I can just write it here. So 6, 5 is 30, 0, 3. 6 times 7 is 42. wait, 6 times 0, 3. And then we go 6 times 4, 7 is 42, plus this 45. So we write the 5 and we hold the 4. We are doing something wrong. Okay, my memory is not the greatest, so let's do this. So 6, 1, 8, 7, 5 times 6, 5 is 0, 3. 6, 7 is 7, 6 is 7, 42 plus 3, 45. 45. So there's 4 here. That means 48, 52. 52. So 2, 5. 1 times 6, 6. And then is 11. So is this number correct then, I guess? Okay. Next, we have 1875 times 30. 35 is 15. And then we go 7, 3 is 21, 22. 8, 3 is 24. 1, 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. And then we go 5, 2, 4, 5. So now if we add this together, then it's what? Wait, can I do this? Maybe it will help my wrist, you know? Ah, yeah. So then we have 5, 7, 13, and we write the 3, and then there is 1, so 9 plus 2 is what? Or 9 plus 1 is 10, 12, 14, we write 4, and then there is 1 here. Then 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 5 is 6. There we need to bring the 0 down, so a factory produce this, how many bottles it will produce in, so this is exercise 4. E4 is they will produce 664 3750 bottles in 365 days. 6. Did I do something wrong, I guess? 5, 6, or 7. Wow, how did I mess this up? Okay, so Let's go at it again, I guess. Let's try to do separately. So 1, 8, 7, 5 times 5. Then we're gonna do the same for 6. And then we're gonna do the same for 6, 5, and 30. And then we're gonna add all together. And honestly, I'm not even looking the left side, I'm just looking my thing because it's just so weird. I did this mistake. I'm sure it's because of this, the way I added these things here. Well, let's see. Can I do it on my own or 525, 5 plus 2. 75 is 35 plus 2 is 37. 37, so I need to write the 3. 8 times 5 is 40, is 43. 1 time is 5 plus 1 is... So this one is 9375, okay. 6 times 5 is what, 30? 7 times 6 is 42, plus 3 is 45. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 4. 48 plus 4 is 52. 2, 5. 1 times 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. 3, 5 is 15. 5, 1. Because 21 is 22. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 3, 5. Alright, so now let's add everything, I guess. Change color again to this one. So we have 11, 2, 5, 0 plus 9. I always do the bigger, organizing the bigger number as it is more easy for me. Okay. Okay, and then we have 5, 6, 2, 5. Now, sorry guys, I'm gonna do this. So we have what? 5, 5 is 10, 0, 1. Alright, different color. Zero, 1 there. 7 times 5, 7 plus 5 is 12. Plus 1 is 13 and 5. Then we have 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 3 is 10, 12. And then there's 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 11. 11 plus 5 is what? 16, right? Okay, 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 6. 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. What the fuck did I do? Ah! No, guys, I do something wrong here. The way is... Oh, man. Well, this is funny. How did... before I press something... Okay. So first is the 9, 3, 7, 5. Then the second number was a 6, so you need to do from here 0, 5, 2, 11. And then there is the 3, which goes from here 5 to 6 and 5. Then we need to add this and go with this color. Okay, so now we have, okay, 5, 7, 10, 13, 3, 1, then 10 plus 2 is 12, 14, 14, 6, 7, 8, 6, and the 0 here, 6. What in the world? Ah, yeah, no, it's correct. It's correct. Oh my days, bro. So what did we do wrong there? I might have calculated something wrong because of the way I put the things here. All right, next. Alright, so the next exercise is a 5. The population of the town was this number. Actually, what I can do maybe is copy the number like this, make it white or whatever, or red. I can do like the way I want it to. So if I press this, do it red. Okay, the population of the town was in 2022 increased by 13. What is the new population? So we need to add this number plus the 38 this. This, okay, and this is the exercise 5. All right, let's exercise 5. Okay, this is a plus, and oops, this color should be red. So now we change the color to green, I guess, and we go. Make this one, I guess by this. What is the new population? Yeah, 5. 810, 614. So 1 is there. And 10 plus 7 is 17. 13, 14. 7 plus 1 is 8. What? What did happen? Did something happen? I don't know. I don't know. My program closed. For some reason it closed. Marais, 1 second, guys. Alright. I don't know what happened, so let's go from the start. 5, 14, 1, 10, 17. 8 plus 5 is what? 13 plus 1 is 4, and then there is 1 there. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then there is 2, so F5 is 284, 745. New is the new population in So one thing I learned is like in functional skill is not like GCSE, and you have to specify the things, like you cannot just write 287. You cannot just write this number and say, yeah, this is it. You have to say this is the new population, blah 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 blah. It's the same before if we do calculation with supermarket prices at your pounds or whatever is that it. Okay, I'm gonna go with the next one. This is strike through formula stimulation. Okay. 5 exercises of if find a. Okay. There we are. We're going with the formulas. This white color, make it big, make it rain, I mean make it red. This is exercise 1. This is this. So the formula is this. So if we had A is, so the L is 12 times, and W is 8. So 12 times 8 is what? 8 times 2 is 16. The KX is 16, and then there is 1 8 is 9, so it's 96. So A is 96. I mean, I can just leave it here all my squares, then I scroll, but it's okay. It's not like anyone is watching me. So this is the exercise 2. Bro, I wish I could put it as this as a freaking specific color every time I put because so annoying. This is exercise. Oops. Took. Why does this go Alt X is like basically this, and for some reason maybe my thing close maybe. It doesn't do it now. I don't know why. Okay. Anyways, I don't want to waste any more time trying to fix issues that are so annoying. Anyways, so we have this. V is U, find V. So when you find this like usual, so V is 15 plus what? I understand now what happened. One second. Actually, I don't have to do that. So I just need no Alt X, but F9. Nowadays, oh, la, 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 la. Okay, I still have to pause my screen. Sorry, guys. Alright, let's continue, I guess. So alright, so 15 was u plus 80. A is 3, and when it's together it's a multiplication, so 8 times 3 times 6. So first we need to do this, to change the color. Six times 3 is what? 6 încă 8. So 18 plus 15 is 13. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 33. So exercise 2 is 33. Alright, so this done. Use this. This is exercise 3. Exercise 3. Actually, the tablet is quite nice as long as it stays connected, doesn't crash, you know. So this is the formula. To the L is 9 and the W is 4. We need to find P, blah blah blah. So P is 2, L is 9 plus the W, which is 4. So bit much, bracket first, so we need to do these two first. So 9 plus 4 is what? 13. Then is 2, then becomes multiplication, I think. Alright. But rather this I put here, so 6 on 2, 2, 2. 26. So if I am correct, is 26. Okay, amazing. Now we go with this. Copy, bloom. And this is exercise 4. So this is the formula, the classic formula of distance and time. So this is 144 divide the 12. Find the S, of course. So this is how I do the division classic way. 1 here fits, so it's 2, is left twice, and then is 2 times 12 is 24, so this is equal to 12. So F4 is 20, what? Sorry, 12. If I'm correct, is it? I hope so. Yes. I got scared for a second. Then we did the 4, now we do this. I mean, so far it's not that difficult. I don't know. I mean, the formulas in here is okay. If you do the GCSE, the formula, which is the algebra, that's where the thing is, Alright, so we copy this. we paste this here. Is dude. This is exercise 5, the last one for the streaming, because we had a lot of delays, I can say that. So the C is usually what, the radius usually? No, the radius with the R. But the C is for sure something, it declares this. I just can't remember what. I can ask. Anyways, so this C is P D. So 314. Then what am I doing? Bro. So P is the pi, so C is fine. C. Okay, so 314 and D is 10. I feel like I'm doing something here, so but the 10 it should be 31.4. Let's see. Circumference of a circle, yes, that's where I have seen it. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Sorry for the inconvenience my stream caused, I guess. So we did this one as well, and next time we're gonna go with we're gonna go with if I can cross it, we're gonna go with the percentage increase and decrease for the next time. So see you in the next stream. I will try to do the next stream on Monday. Hopefully we see how it goes, but we still have like a lot to go through. I have indeed pass my factional shields. I just kind of like must some time, to do them on my free time. I don't know if it will take me anywhere, but it's just a hobby, I guess. I never liked maths until I came to England, and I had a nice teacher that I can say and make me feel like doing maths. So it's maybe the nostalgia, maybe. But anyways, thanks for watching and have